those out. They're lining up at the hotels and everywhere. Look at all these old antique cars. And most of these people will be here for 2 weeks for the Shades of the Past this weekend and the Fall Rod Run for next weekend. They'll fill up the areas everywhere. Hang on a minute. We got one right up here in front of us. So look at them. And this is just a touch of the iceberg because this is Wednesday. And the actual event will start to what, Friday? Friday? So we're going to take you up and down the strip here in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee, for the Shades of the Past and a tip of the Fall Rod Run. Nothing compared to what it'll end up being like. Look at all that. This whole hillside will be full when it's done. golf carts everywhere, scooters. I guess a golf cart thing there. But check out all these old trucks right down here. They're everywhere down here. The campground we're staying at is booked solid for 2 weeks because of this. And look at that little trailer. There. Yeah, you don't say, Abby. I mean, look at it. See all the lawn chairs lined up here in front of on the sidewalk? There's some down here for sale. I was talking about it. I don't know. But that was a good one. It was a grill, picnic table, and cooler in one. Your driver can drive you down the road after he's grilled you up some burgers, and you got your soft drink right back on the picnic table as you're going down the road eating your burger. All in one. All in one. I don't know how they think of some of these things, but they do. There's a Corvette over there. Yeah. Is that red one? Is that red one a Corvette too? Right by it? Or just that one?
The silver maroon one.
Yeah, the silver maroon one.
And burnt orange.
Oh, yeah. Oh, okay. The burnt orange one over there. I see it now. There's the moon pie store. Go over there and get you a moon pie. Oh, down here's a big old line of them. You'll see people riding their bicycles everywhere, their scooters, everything down here. So you got to be careful because they're everywhere down here. Check all those out. Look at all those pretty old cars. Pretty old cars. A lot of money sitting there though. Woo-wee. A lot of money. We've already got the lawn chairs out there. People back there on the racetrack are racing. Oh, check these out. I see a lot of orange cars. I guess that's for the bulbs, huh? Yeah. I mean, they're everywhere. Man, they're all over that hotel parking lot right back in there. They weren't there earlier. And there's the Comedy Barn. Gonna get a show in town. show. That's a Dolly Parton show. Oh, see. Oh, check that old truck out down there. That was that one we saw earlier, and I was trying to figure out what it was. The little yellow bus. There's the pink Jeepers. I think that's pretty well it. See y'all in the next video. Just always remember, your next dream, your next adventure is just over the horizons. See you from the Pigeon Forge Shades of the Past 2021 car show. Bye-bye.